What is up, guys? It's your boy. Um, quick under quick tutorials. Today you clicked on this video because you wanted to know how to breathe underwater in Minecraft without enchantments, and I'm gonna show you how using a simple trick, and it's one thing. You just you use torches, and this trick will only work if you hit that subscribe button. I set it up so like this trick doesn't work on your Minecraft unless you subscribe, like, and or comment on this video. Um, Johnny, what are you doing?
Oh shit.
Johnny, I'm trying to make. Do you know how to breathe underwater in Minecraft? I didn't think so. So what you're gonna want to do is not get killed by this zombie specifically. Um, but how do you hide from zombies who can't? They sink to the bottom of the water. That's actually kind of interesting. Alright, back to the situation. You're underwater, you're running out of air, what are you gonna do? You only got torches, you just place a torch on the side, you'll how to breathe underwater in Minecraft. If you didn't see it, let me show you one more time. I'm running out. You get to breathe underwater infinitely. So if you like this video, subscribe. You can also like the video if you liked it too. If you didn't like the video, watch some of the other videos and like the videos. If you just follow these tricks, you'll be super cool because not many people know these tricks in Minecraft. Let me show you one more time if you didn't catch it. You go underwater, running out of breath, you just place a torch on the wall. And all of your bubbles back, and you can if you like this video, you could subscribe on YouTube, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon, or else this won't work. This trick won't work unless you do it. All right. I gotta go. Bye bye.